Hi friends, it's Miss Kate. Do you know what today is? Today, it's our last day of the week, of the school week. It starts with that letter that we've been talking about. Friday. Friday, number 5 day. All right. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Friday number 5. Okay. Let's put 5 on top of us. Let's put 5 next to us. Let's put 5 behind us. Let's put 5 up high. Let's put 5 down low. Let's put 5 in the middle in front of us. All right, ready to count 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good counting. Let's count in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ¿Cuántos? 5. You guys are getting so smart. All right, where is that number 5? Is it above the number 2? There's 2. Above. Nope, that's not the number 5. Is it under the number 3? There's 3. It's not under the number 3. That's 4. What? You're right. It's under 4. There it is on the bottom of our list, number 5. All right, I found it. You guys found it. All right, you ready to make the number 5? Get that pointer finger. What do we need to do? This was always a tricky one. Start at the top. Little line across, little line down, big curve around. Yes, we did it. All right. And today, on Friday, number 5 day, that's right, we do a cooking project. And our purple friend has all those materials. We need them. Good thinking. Let's sing. One elbow up high, one elbow down low, ready to sing. Here we go. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to wail. Mail. Did you do it? Yes. All right, what do we need to do? Pick mailbox up and put him down gently. Good job, guys. I see mail inside. I see it. Cereal, our paper, our crowns, and a book. Is there any more mail? No, now mailbox is empty. Thank you, mailbox. All right, I think we have a clue. Have you seen this book before? I think you have. It's called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. I remember this book. First, there is a little teeny egg, and that egg hatches. Oh, he comes out like Ryan's chicks. They hatched out the eggs. The caterpillar hatched out too. All right, now he's hunting around. What does he want? Food, you're right. I remember he eats all of that food a lot. And not all of that food was very good for him. Lots of treats. How was he feeling? He was feeling sick. He had a bellyache. That was too many treats, Caterpillar. But he made a good choice and ate that big green leaf. That was good for him. Good job eating your vegetables, Caterpillar. And that made him feel all better. And then he was big and fat. And what happened next? Right, he made a cocoon. And big changes happened inside that cocoon. Something magical. He became a butterfly, a beautiful butterfly. That's right. That's our clue. That is what we're going to make today, a butterfly. Are you ready? Okay. So the first thing we have to do is draw our model. That way, we're all making the same thing, but we can make it out of different materials. All right, I got my hard surface and my paper. And now I need to get my crayon. What color do I want to use? I'm going to use blue. Blue. Because blue is the same as butterfly. They both start with that b sound. What letter is that? B. You're right. All right, ready? Now let's check out this butterfly. I see he has a long, skinny body in the middle, and then he has one wing on this side and one wing on this side. Do you notice something else about the wings? You're right. This wing is the same as this wing. They're symmetrical. They're exactly the same on this side as it is on this side. When we make our butterfly, we'll have the same thing. This wing will look like this wing. All right. So first we need to make our body in the middle. I see he has a long, skinny, oval body. That's what I'm going to try in the middle of my paper. So I start at the top. I'm going to go down, back up, and... Did you do it? Yes. All right, got our body. What do we need next? You're right, those wings. 2 of them. One on this side, one on this side. Okay, so we can do this a couple different ways. We could make heart wings. We could make oval wings, circle wings. I'm going to use 2 circles. 1 circle, 2 circles. That's my wing on this side. So what should the other side look like? You're right, it should look the same. Okay, so I make 1 circle here and 1 circle here. Do they look the same? Yes, mostly. I tried to do my best. All right, what else does our butterfly need? Oh, those long, skinny things on top. They're called antennas. All right, I'm going to make 1 here and 1 here on top of his head. Did you do it? Great. Do you know what else? Butterflies are insects, and insects have 6 legs. They have 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's big kid math because 3 plus 3 is 6. We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6 legs. If you want, you can add more details to your butterfly, like a mouth and a nose and eyes, just to make him a happy guy. but we probably won't see that when we make our food project. All right, are you ready? All right, for now I'm going to use my cereal, but I did make a butterfly out of other items. I made one out of apples and cheese and raisins. One day I had a grilled cheese sandwich and I used that. You can use anything around your house to turn it into a butterfly. So since my oval is so thin, I'm just going to make one line of my cereal right down the middle. Did I do it? Yes! Whoa! All right. Hold on. Fix it, fix it. Don't get worried. You can do it. Okay. Now I'm going to go around the other side of the wing. Working, working. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Okay. I made one side, and we know I have to make the other side because they have to be the same. I'm going to keep working, but now you can go do your work and post it. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks so much, friends. Bye-bye.